Well, good morning, Williams, Philippines, and it is October 2nd, 2024. Boy, hope everybody's having a wonderful day. Uh, yeah, don't know about you, but yeah, as all those steps and such kind of wore me out. Did get some sleep. That's a good thing. But somebody called me at about 7:30 and woke me up. Had another 2 good solid hours I could have slept, but these folks wanted to wake me up and ask me if my house is for sale. Told them to call back next year. Hey, is what it is. Boy, some days it's some days it's amazing how much folks want to disturb your sleep when you work nights. It's amazing. And why is it? It's only when I actually really want to sleep that they want to wake me up. Don't need sleep. Be awake all day. Nobody calls. All morning, nobody calls. Go to sleep. The phone starts ringing. I don't know. Anyway, it is what it is. I chose the shift that I work, so it's my choice. So I suffer those consequences. But I really would like to have had those extra hours. But that's okay. Well, they will probably call back. Hopefully they'll stop calling. Until then, I did save the numbers so that I can compare it, because if they're going to keep calling and disturbing me, I'll just mark them off the list of possibles. I don't need to be argued with about what I intend to do. It's don't cause me issues, and if people are going to disturb me a bunch and I know it's the same people, they're not respecting my sleep schedule. Well, they're not respecting me. So if they keep calling back, I won't sell them my house. I'll find somebody else. If they do, well, yay. Call me back in June or January. I'll be glad to sell them my house as long as I get my price. It is what it is. But yeah, I saved the number, and it's a good thing. I'll know if they're interfering with my sleep real quick. I don't know. I really needed that extra couple hours of sleep. Anyway, yeah, I was looking online and checking different things out. The prices of tickets are still looking, and it really does seem like it's either going to be the 2nd, the 9th, or the 11th of July. At least that's the ballpark it's looking like at this point. We'll find out for sure when it comes down to getting it done. Buying my ticket, which will probably be sometime February, March. Depends on how fast I sell my house and everything. So yeah, and somebody said, welcome to the Philippines. Well, I'm not there yet, but yes, July is what it's really looking like right now. So I am definitely ready to get over there, though. And I actually am. Okay. I probably shouldn't have started this video at this point. Yeah. I need to sleep. But that's okay. I'm getting out of here today and gonna run over and have them recheck my tires. Because like I said, I'm getting that vibration in the rear end. And I think I might have maybe a warped rim. Because they said they balanced it, but I don't know. Might just have to have them pull the one out of the trunk and swap the pressure sensor off of it and off the one that's on there now, and put it on this one in my trunk and put it all back together and send it that way. Because I don't like having to go down the road with vibrations. Very annoying when you're driving along 70 miles an hour with a vibration. But on the right now, it's the vibration's actually between 55 and 60, 62 ballpark. So yeah, and I spend quite a bit of mileage around here about that speed, so I'm getting to feel it. And yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, it's something to do on the back tires. Need something done. Hopefully they'll get that figured out, and I'll be able to deal with it. Because yeah, I don't know. But yeah, it's Wednesday morning, and I want to go get that took care of. Because tomorrow morning I gotta get up and go and head down for fun times in Lubbock. So I don't want to spend 250 miles round trip going down there and back fighting a vibration. Don't need that. So hopefully they'll be able to get it fixed tomorrow morning. And be able to get driving down tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, yeah. I'm sorry, I am very tired and I'm very distracted. Can't concentrate when I'm half asleep. Anyway, I got to get up and try to finish my steps today. I've got 4,000 in at this point. Ended up with right at 7 yesterday. Hair over. But yeah, didn't do any steps though that were planned. I didn't do my figure 8, but ended up having to go up there and check a shower that was left on. Anyway, William from Williams, Philippines, fish, and fish is out.